All right, well, I am leaving work and going home for the day. Or that's my plan. Oop. Well, my bike says it's 47 degrees out. It's kind of chilly, but not too bad. I don't know if I can go through this infotainment system with you at all, but we'll give it a shot. So go to that maybe, or go to that. So this has 3 different screens you can flip through. Oops. And all those screens are customizable. Like this one's my current ride, which I haven't reset since when I went down south or took my last trip. But current ride, you can reset it. It'll tell you your total time driving, stop time, and the elevation change. Your speed, your gears. Obviously, fuel, how many miles left. This is what I got on that one. Oops. I got the fuel on this one also, it looks like. It has the, up here it's got your mileage and your battery voltage. I don't know what the oil is because it says 0 miles. Tire pressure, and again I've got fuel on this one, and then your temperature gauge. So the next screen I have a GPS, my GPS on it. Let's see if we can go north. Oops. Anyway, I got my battery, my gear and speed again, and then the direction I'm headed. And all these are customizable by hitting that little gearbox in the lower right hand corner, and you can add, move things around. And since that's a little box, I don't know if I can even get to that. I don't know if it'll let me. Nope, it's not going. Oh, there it went. Maybe. Yeah, so here you can drag new widgets around. So I'm not going to really do it, but you can move them around. Some of them only fit in certain areas, so like that middle section, it takes up 2 blocks, and then the smaller ones on the left just take up like half of the blocks, you can see. But when you're done moving them or whatever, hit done, and then it goes back to your main screen. So I don't know if you can change the left hand side. I don't think so. I'll have to look, but I know the stuff on the right hand side of the screen down there, obviously you can change and add whatever to, which is good enough. I mean, it has everything you want. So yeah, it's pretty nice. I try to mess around with the infotainment center on the newer Harleys, and it's nowhere near this. So you got your cell phone, your maps if you just want the whole screen to be your GPS. This is your settings for the system, your cell phone, and music. Let's see, there's the maps. Let's just hit the buttons, and that's full screen maps. And that's your where you get to your ride modes, which is rain, standard, and sport, and you can turn off your traction control. The brightness of the screen, notifications. Then your phone. I don't have my phone. Let's see if I can turn here. Sun in my eyeballs. No, you know, you got your contacts and blah blah blah. And then your music. You can change sources. AM, FM, rather radio, USB, iPod if you have it, or your Bluetooth. So we'll keep it on that. So that's pretty nice. And this one just goes back to the multi-function or multi-screen. What is this doing there? I had it going just north, but I do seem to like that. It does CarPlay pretty well. So I do have a Senna 50S that I think I'm gonna set up today. So you may see a video of me. There's a kitty. You may see a video of me hooking that up and getting that to run, all that stuff run into my helmet. Could have used that the other day or yesterday, whatever. Because you can take phone calls through the helmet. I got a couple work calls while I was on my bike, and something I could have just answered over the phone. So it would have been handy to have all that running through my helmet. But I had to stop and call people back. So that is no good, in my opinion. So anyway, maybe look for my next video, how to set up the Senna 50S and maybe some other Bluetooth stuff to where you don't have to have a Senna to get Apple CarPlay to work, because you don't need that. To get the CarPlay to work, you can just buy an adapter. So maybe that'll be my next couple videos that I got coming out. Anyway, obviously I'm home. I am going to go inside, and I'll catch you on the next go, if I can get my kickstand down. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks. Bye.